Ongoing campaigns are best suited for transactional messaging, where messages are triggered automatically through APIs based on real-time events like sending an invoice, delivery notifications, etc. To get started, click on Build a Bot and select Outbound Bot. Next, select Ongoing Campaign, as we want to trigger this bot only when we receive an event via a webhook. Let's start with setting up the webhook. To do that, click on Trigger Block and copy the webhook in your systems to automate requests. Make sure to pass all required details in that webhook response, like the contact's name, phone number, and any other information that is to be used to personalize the message. Map the incoming fields to its variables. These variables will later be used to personalize messages and control the flow logic. Next, click on the plus icon and add a Send WhatsApp block to the flow. Click on the WhatsApp block to configure it, choosing the WhatsApp number you want to send the message from, the variable which contains the phone number of the contact, the template message you want to send, and map the variables if there is any personalization in the message. Let's have a look at a bot flow. You can also build a sequence of messages that follow a specific order. This allows you to send logical follow-ups, confirmations, and updates automatically. Once the flow is ready, review all configurations carefully. Click on Deploy, then click on Activate to successfully activate the bot. Now your outbound bot will send messages whenever it receives an incoming data through webhook.